We have amazing campuses and facilities in our district, but in order to keep all of them in top condition, we must perform necessary upgrades and renovations. The largest portion of our $1.7 billion 2019 bond program was dedicated to facility renovations and additions. Many of these projects are now underway throughout the district. In addition, many of our elementary schools are receiving safety and security enhancements.
When you start talking about the number of facilities we have, it's important to go back in and make sure that we're fixing any wear and tear on the building to keep the building suitable for students. We're in Lowry Elementary. This is part of the expansion, it's part of the Security for Open concept. As part of the 2019 bond, we had the safety and security component, which includes Security for Open concept classrooms. We're going back in, creating pods of 2 to 8 classrooms with doors. We're also doing some pre-K classrooms where we can to have bathrooms as part of the expansion. At Belial and Campbell, we're doing the athletic facilities. We're doing the PE locker rooms and gyms. We're also doing the fields and tracks, and we're also installing new press boxes. Twenty-first century furniture provides a more mobile classroom for the students with more soft seating, the ability for students to move. All the studies show that students learn better in that environment. It's asset protection. Facilities with the amount of use that they get, it's no different from a home. You do routine maintenance on your home, preventative maintenance. We do the same thing with our bond programs. We want to keep our facilities in top condition. That's the environment that our students learn best in.